I had my fan going the entire intro at first, and I don't really feel like re-recording it, so you're gonna hear it, but it's still gonna be a cute DIY or whatever.
It's Lisa, it's Lisa, it's Lisa Danielle. Something like that.
What's up, world? It's your girl Lisa D, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video or whatever. Today, I'm back with another DIY, and it's of course a denim DIY. Y'all know denim is my favorite color. It's not really a color, but it's my favorite color. In today's DIY, we are going to recreate the TopShop embellished rhinestone crystal looking jeans with the fringe or whatever. So I saw these jeans on TopShop and I was like, oh my god, those are so cute. These jeans are a little pricey, but not much. I mean, I just figured I could make them for way cheaper than what they were charging, and I have so many pairs of jeans, so I figured I would just use some jeans that I already have, and I ordered some trim from Amazon, which was super cheap. I will link that in the description box down below. This DIY literally took me like 10 minutes and about $10. This is also a really good denim hack. I'm pretty tall for a girl. I'm only 5'7", but a lot of girls I know are like 5 foot to 5'3". So a lot of times my jeans are a little shorter than I would like them to be. So this is a really good hack to make your jeans appear a little bit longer and add a little bit of length. So grab your rhinestones, grab your E6000, and grab your jeans, and let's get started or whatever. I'm starting with a pair of jeans that I've had forever, and I want to cut off that bottom hem. It's just my personal preference to have a raw edge, but you can definitely skip this step and just keep it the way it is. The next thing that you want to do is tape off the area where your rhinestones are going to go. On the TopShop jeans, they kind of go at an angle going toward the inseam. So I'm just going to lay out my tape exactly where I want my rhinestones to go, just as a guide. You want to do that on the front and back of both legs. Once you have your guide in place, you want to take your rhinestone trim and cut it into strips. I had about 14 strips on each leg, so 7 on the front, 7 on the back. But you definitely want to make sure that your rhinestone strips hang below your hem. Even if it's just 1 inch, you want to have that little fringe effect. And notice that we're not gluing anything yet. We're going to place these down just to make sure the spacing is exactly where we want it to be. You can add more. I only had 10 yards, so I only had enough to do the 14 on each leg. But if you can add more rhinestone trim in different sizes, that would be completely bomb, y'all. So once you have everything in place exactly the way you want it, you're gonna grab your E6000 glue, and we're just gonna put a little bit of glue going straight down, but only halfway, because we wanna make sure that our rhinestone strips dangle a little bit. That kind of gives it that fringe effect that the TopShop jeans have, and it's just more fun. Once you've glued all your strips down on each leg, you just want to let it dry for 24 hours and then you're done.